In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics with WebEasy. I'm not sure by your email if you have a profile or not, so I'm going to assume that you do have a profile set up, and if not, we can make a custom video for that later. But the first thing you'll need to do is sign in. Usually when you sign in, you'll get this overview page. If it's not there, just click on the Google Analytics logo or the Analytics settings. Then you'll go down to the profile that you set up, click on Edit, and then click Check Status. And at this point you should already have all these settings in place. Again, if not, then I'll show you how to do that in a separate video, but the main thing is we just need to copy this code here, so just left click and drag, then right click, copy, then we'll go into WebEasy. And to apply this code, we'll need to use the inspector tool. So to open that, we'll go to View, and then click on Inspector. We'll need to be in the Properties tab over here. And this menu will change depending on which objects are selected. So you can see it changes for each thing here. So the one that we need is the background selected, which means nothing else is highlighted like this. Nothing's in object mode with the little handles. So you can just click on usually an empty white space or just not on any other item. Then we'll scroll down and we'll need to find the attribute labeled head elements. We'll double click on the white box to the right, and then simply right click and then paste in the code that we got from Google Analytics. Then click OK. Now if you want to get the statistics from every every page on your website, you'll need to paste this code in just like we did here for each page. So we would go to the next page, double click on the head elements, right click and paste. So you would just do that for the rest of your pages. Then you would build your website like usual, click on build website, and then upload your website. And then at that point we can go back to Analytics Settings, go to View Report, and it will take I think it was roughly an hour to 2 hours for it to recognize the site once you have uploaded it and to get it configured, and then it'll take another 24 hours before you start to see your statistics, because they go day from day. They compile all the data from one day and then add it to all their charts and stuff. So it's just a little bit of a wait time, but I've already tested it and it works perfectly. So that's it.